Hello, beautiful soul. I welcome you with open arms into this space. This is your sacred haven. This is for you. I invite you to bring yourself into a comfortable seated position if you haven't done it already. Start by looking into your space. What is here with you today? When you feel ready, you may gently close your eyes and turn your awareness inwards if this feels comfortable for you in this moment. Otherwise, I invite you to find a soft gazing point in front of you. Begin to free yourself from your thoughts and feelings that no longer serve you, so your body can return to this place. Remember now that you can relax. You can relax and let go into a deep and peaceful moment. Become aware of your breathing, your inhales and your exhales. And notice that space between the breath, the inhale, and then that space where all is still for a moment. The pause between the breath and the exhale. Then inhale, pause, and exhale. Notice the stillness that lies in between. Maybe you want to place your hand onto your belly. And bring your attention to your belly, rising and falling on each in and exhale. See if you can allow yourself to soften here. Soften your voice towards yourself. This moment is for you. Feel how you can let go a layer of heaviness with each breath, and feel yourself lighten when you exhale. This is your safe space. Within these moments, you might want to call yourself back into the present, into the here and now. See if you can leave the future and the past for what it is, and return to your body, your essence. Maybe you want to place one hand onto your heart space while I remind you how much love you have inside of you. And you have so much love to give. So much love inside of you. I invite you to connect with this infinite amount of love and see if you can allow yourself to feel the love that is within you. See if you can send yourself a bit of this love without any judgment or without wondering if you are worthy. Maybe you want to give yourself a warm embrace, a loving hug. Then place your hands back onto your thighs. And I will share some affirmations with you. And maybe you want to repeat them for yourself in your head or either out loud if it resonates with you. I let go of the rush. I don't have to hold it all. Each breath brings me back to my center. I release the pressure to figure it out. I choose softness over control. This moment is enough. I am allowed to feel. I am allowed to rest. And know that you are doing everything you can. Allow yourself to soften in the stillness. Remind yourself of these words. In this moment, my body is blessed with love. And my mind and spirit with stillness. I remind myself to remember and reconnect with presence. I can let go and rest in the arms of love. I invite you to think of something that you are grateful for in this very moment. It can be something really simple. It can be your breath. It can be the warm clothes you were wearing. Or your cup of tea. And send it your love, send it your thanks. Whatever comes to mind, Notice how you feel right now. And gently bring your awareness back into your body. Maybe you want to start moving, awakening and coming back. And when you feel ready, gently blink open your eyes again. Coming back to your space. I want to thank you, sweet soul, for your devotion to sit with yourself today. I wish you a wonderful rest of the day, and I hope to see you soon, my love.